Hi, I'm Dr. Cameron Keeney with the Center for Sleep Apnea and TMJ. I'd like to talk a little bit about a locked jaw versus lock jaw. They sound very similar, but they're quite different. So a locked jaw is someone that used to have a popping and clicking jaw that recently stopped, and now their jaw won't open properly. In this case, what has happened is they have slipped a disc in their jaw joint, and now when they go to open, they're not allowed to open properly because a disc is out of place. This would be a locked jaw. We can usually tell in an acute case, so something less than 6 months, that this has been going on, because the patient will go to open and their jaw will go to the side that's locked. So if the side that is locked is the left side, their jaw will open and it will go to the side like that. Almost always they will open to about 26 millimeters. It's classic for someone that has a locked jaw. Now on the other side of the fence we have lockjaw. So lockjaw, what that is that has nothing actually to do with the joint, more so to do with the muscles of mastication. Medial pterygoid, masseter, temporalis muscles basically are in a spasm and they're not allowing the jaw to open properly. Almost always in an acute phase, what's going on there is we'll see the patient go to open and their opening will be severely reduced, maybe around 10 to 20 millimeters. Their jaw normally doesn't necessarily go to the side, one side or the other, they just can't open very big at all. So that's the difference between a locked jaw and lockjaw. If you'd like to learn more about this, please visit our website, sleepidaho.com, or call us at 208-376-3600.